See here, one devotee, Malati Dasi, she asked Prabhupada, in the beginning we were curious about how to chant. What do you do when you chant? And what do you think? See, very right question has been asked to Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada, what I should do when I chant? And what should I think when I chant? You ask Prabhupada these two questions. Prabhupada said two things. What did he say? You don't do anything, you don't think anything. Look at that. You simply hear. Prabhupada is saying, you simply hear. Hearing is so important. You don't do anything else. You don't think anything else. Don't do anything else. Don't think anything else. That's what it means. You simply do chanting and hear. This is the secret which we are now trying to practice. Chanting, come hearing concurrently is mindful japa. Chanting, come hearing delightfully, with hope, with relish, with hope, with excitement. The sense of feeling that Lord is with me and I have been able to serve Him one more bead. I am able to please my spiritual master one more bead. Prabhupada has asked, what is it that pleases you most, Srila Prabhupada? Everybody thought book distribution or this thing or that thing and so many things. Prabhupada said, what pleases me most is when you chant Hare Krishna. Look at that. This is a real Acharya. Transcendental pleasure to the Lord. You take His holy name. That is most pleasing to me. So therefore we should feel that I am pleasing Prabhupada. That is another feeling you can get. I am pleasing. If you please a pure devotee, then Krishna is more pleased. Instead of thinking directly you are pleasing Nama Prabhu, you think that I am pleasing Prabhupada. Okay? Because what happens, you see, now you should not think that now when I am chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Lord is hearing my chanting and He is getting so much ananda, therefore He is pleased. No. Our chanting is not like that. We are sadhakas. Then why our chanting is pleasing to Krishna? Our chanting is pleasing to Krishna because He is pleased for us. Oh, this is going to do good to Him. Now He is associating with me. He is my child, He is going to come back to me. He's got onto the proper track now. Every day He is following Srila Prabhupada. So each bead when I am doing following instruction of Prabhupada, that is why Nama Prabhu is pleased. When Prabhupada is chanting bead after bead, Nama Prabhu is really happy. That very chanting is pleasing to Krishna. Is pleasing to Krishna. So now our chanting is also pleasing to Krishna to the extent it is soulful. To the extent it is soulful, it is directly pleasing to Krishna. It pleases Nama. Because Nama is right there. Nama is only receiving our seva, our chesta. So when it is soulful chesta, then when it transforms, see, first you give chesta and do, that is mindful chanting, come hearing. Next, little more is happy if you give spiritful. If you do spiritful japa, because you have added one more ingredient of delightfully wanting to chant more and more happily. Then you go soulful japa, is when you have faith in His presence. That means you feel His presence and you chant. A little more pleasing. Oh, He is remembering me. Faith means He is remembering. Even though He cannot see me, He cannot touch me. He is only touching the Shakti Avashanama. He is only uttering His name with His tongue. But He has faith that I am there. Therefore He is giving me all that feelings of respect. He is giving me that feeling of delight.